Have cluttered chaos and need order? The NIIMBOT B21 Label Maker, it's like magic in your pocket. Imagine organizing everything, from kitchen jars to mysterious cords. And yes, there's a QR code somewhere here. NIIMBOT B21 is essentially your creative sidekick. It's portable, retro-designed, and smartphone-friendly, effortlessly. Blame it on no ink mess, just thermal labels, sticking only where you want them. Talk about control, right? From pantry organization to quick, cool address labels, it handles it all. Market stalls, crafts, small businesses, name it. Low maintenance? Thanks to zero ink technology. Plus, the battery's your loyal friend 2 weeks without whining. The app's like a playground for labeling fonts, icons, logos, QR codes. Tap into your inner artist. Locked to NIIMBOT labels, sure, but hey, this encourages eco-friendly behavior with no ink waste. Fellow fun seekers, abandon the bulky norm. Click the link in the description for a fabulous labeling journey. Your adventure begins with a simple QR code scan. Embrace the chaos and organize with style. Thank you for your attention and support.